Welcome to Sanibel's trusted desktop repair service. We're here to solve your desktop issues with ease and professionalism, ensuring your tech runs smoothly. Why choose our Sanibel Desktop Repair Service? Our expert technicians bring years of experience, offering fast, reliable, and affordable solutions tailored to your needs. We come to you. Whether at your home or office, we provide convenient on-site desktop repair services throughout Sanibel, making repairs hassle-free. What can we fix? From slow or crashing desktops to virus and malware removal, hardware upgrades, replacements, data recovery, and backups, we've got you covered. Curious about costs? We offer competitive Sanibel desktop repair service quotes with no hidden fees. Just upfront, affordable pricing you can trust. How do we work? First, we diagnose the issue, then offer a detailed repair plan, and finally, fix your desktop fast and effectively. Call us today for a free quote at 239-421-8187 or visit SanibelDesktopRepairService.com to learn more about our services. Servicing Sanibel, Florida, we are your local, dependable solution for all desktop repair needs, ensuring your technology is in good hands. Affordable Sanibel Desktop Repair Service cost is our promise. We work within your budget to deliver quality results every time. Get your desktop running like new. Don't let tech issues slow you down. Our expert team is ready to assist you. Call now at 239-421-8187. Your trusted Sanibel Desktop Repair Service is just a call away, ready to solve your tech troubles.